Hey guys, I think I'm back. Also, this is next of a taste test. I'm just gonna do a freaking Marmite. We just bought two Marmites. At least we haven't tried this. You can see this. It says Gene Project. I don't know why. Oh, it says rich in B vitamins. 100% vegetarian. Awesome. So anyways, we just did last year ago taste test Vegemites. Well, Vegemites it's pretty okay to me, which is pretty gross. It tastes like a soy sauce. But this one I'm just gonna try this. I don't know why. Is it like gross or not? It tastes like kind of gross. About just like a Vegemite. But I'm gonna try this anyways. I'm just gonna open this. Okay. Bitch! Hold up! Hold up! It's not the same of like Vegemite. It's just it smells like ass. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this. And then hold on a second. So anyways, we just got a sliced brown. Sliced bread brown, and we got also a spoon, just it is just important to me. And by the way, we got extra tissue. It's just important. Okay, this is kind of weird. It's kind of a little bit, just a little bit. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! No, seriously, this is not like Vegemite. The Vegemite is like pretty thick, but this one looks like a liquid thing. What is this? Oh my god! Oh no! I feel like I'm dying on my funeral, guys. This is the end of my taste test. Okay, so here it comes. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna start to count. 1, 2, 3. That's so lame. That's so lame. It's done. It's done. It's just very salty. Why actually do this? It's too hot. It's too hot. I can't. I'm gonna cry because oh, so delicious. Wow, 10 out of 10. Wow. Thanks Marmite. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna take a Vegemite. Who cares? Who fucking cares? It says a vegan also. Who vegans loves Marmite in UK, by the way. Oh my goodness. Oh, salty. Fuck, why am I doing this? Wow. Wow. I'm sorry, Marmite. I think my parents can eat this. Seriously. I'm done. It's just so gross. I can't. I just don't want to eat the normal bread, whatever. I think I'll take a 5 out of 10 on this Marmite. On this fucking Marmite. Actually, Vegemite is the best, not this one. Fuck that. Holy shit. I mean, I respect from UK, Great Britain. God bless. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Leave a comment down below and thumbs up. So what do you guys think about this freaking Marmite? If you like Marmite, go ahead. Eat it. So I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye!